Hey, gearheads and car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's not only crucial for your vehicle's health but also your peace of mind. Ever notice those pesky oil spots on your driveway? Yep, we are talking about engine oil leaks. Let's break down the main causes so you can keep your ride running smoothly. Engine oil is essential for a vehicle's performance and longevity. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of the engine, reducing friction. This minimizes wear and tear, extending the life of engine components. Engine oil leaks can be a real headache, but understanding the root causes can help you tackle the problem head-on. So, let's discuss the main causes. 1. Valve cover gasket. First up, we've got worn-out gaskets and seals. When the gasket that seals the valve cover to the engine head becomes brittle and cracks, oil can escape through these cracks. This happens due to heat cycles, age, and exposure to engine oil. 2. Damaged oil filter. Next, let's talk about the oil filter. A loose or damaged oil filter can be another source of leaks. This is because the oil filter operates under pressure, and any gap can allow oil to escape. After an oil change, always make sure the filter is securely tightened. If it's damaged, replace it immediately to prevent leaks. 3. Loose or missing oil drain plug. The oil drain plug allows for the draining of old oil during an oil change. If it is not properly tightened or if the sealing washer is worn out, oil can leak from the oil pan. Sometimes, the threads on the plug or the oil pan can become stripped, leading to an inadequate seal. 4. Damaged oil pan. The oil pan is located at the bottom of the engine. It is susceptible to damage from road debris, curbs, or rough driving conditions. A puncture, dent, or crack in the oil pan can result in significant oil leaks. 5. Faulty oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor monitors the oil pressure in the engine and alerts the driver to any issues. It is typically threaded into the engine block. If the sensor fails or the seals around it degrades, oil can leak from the sensor housing. 6. Overfilled oil. When too much oil is added to the engine, it increases the internal pressure, which can push oil past seals and gaskets that are not designed to handle the extra pressure. This can lead to leaks at multiple points in the engine. 7. Worn piston rings. Piston rings seal the combustion chamber and regulate oil consumption. When they wear out, oil can seep into the combustion chamber and burn off, reducing oil levels and potentially causing leaks around the piston area. 8. Aging engine components. As an engine ages, the materials used in gaskets, seals, and other components can degrade due to prolonged exposure to heat, oil, and mechanical stress. This natural wear and tear can cause these components to lose their sealing properties, leading to oil leaks. 9. Improper maintenance. Regular maintenance, including timely oil changes and inspections, is crucial for the health of an engine. Neglecting maintenance can lead to the buildup of sludge and other contaminants. These contaminants can clog oil passages and put extra stress on gaskets and seals, causing them to fail and leak. 10. External damage. Physical impacts from accidents, road debris, or rough driving conditions can damage the engine block, oil pan, or other components. Cracks, punctures, or other forms of damage can create pathways for oil to leak out of the engine. And there you have it, folks. The main causes of engine oil leaks. By staying vigilant and performing regular maintenance, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid those annoying oil spots on your driveway. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions and comments below, we love hearing from you. Until next time, keep those engines purring.